Hey guys, so this week what we're going to do is we're going to do the distributive property. We did this a couple of months ago, learning how to do this. So what we're going to do is just practice a skill we already learned before we learn something new that goes with this topic. So what we're going to do is I'm going to change my color. I'm going to make my rainbow from the 4 to the y, and then my rainbow from the 4 to the 1. And then remember, this is multiplication here, so I'll add that note up here. Multiply. Okay, so you do not forget. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to go into the equation button. So I'll show you guys where that is, because I know we've been doing a lot of stuff with that button. So we have 4y, because 4 times y is 4y, plus 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, and I'll make that a little bit bigger. There you go. Okay, the next one, same thing. I'm going to draw my rainbow from the 2 to the 5, and then 2 to the 4c. So again, it's multiplication. Notice the variable is in the back this time. Okay, but no different than last time. I'm going to go into, actually it's right there. We have 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 2 times 4 is 8, and the letter is C. And then our last one. Remember, you cannot combine these because they don't have, both have variables. This one has a variable, this one has a constant, this is a constant, and then this is a variable. And then for our last one, same thing. I'm going to draw, actually, from this 3, I'm going to draw it backwards. Okay, they're just placing in a different spot. It really looks like this. If you have scrap paper, I might recommend kind of just rewriting it for yourself on a piece of paper and reorganizing it. So that way you guys are used to what it looks like. And I'll make it bigger. And then same thing. You would still distribute this the same way with your 3 to your 3g, and then your 3 to your 3. So we have 3 times 3 is 9g. Oh, I'll put it in the equation so it looks better. And then plus 3 times 3 is 9 as well. And that's it. Okay, if they do give you something, I just noticed, like if they gave you a problem that looked like, say it's 5 and then x plus or minus 4, something like that. Remember, it's no different than before. You would still draw your rainbow, the 5 to the x, 4 this time. And then when you multiply it, remember, if there's no number here, you can technically place a 1, but so 5 times 1 is just 5x. I'll put it in the equation. I keep forgetting. 5x. And then if I do 5 times 4, I just have to remember this is a negative 4, so I need the minus sign here. And then 5 times 4 would then give me 20. Okay, so make sure you guys practice these. Take your time on the IXL. Okay, if you already did that IXL, I think you can do it again, and it checks the date that you did it and how, like, if you got a new SMART score, I think. So make sure if you've already done the IXL earlier in the year that you just redo it. Otherwise, just work on it. See how well you do. This is practice, as a review of something we've already learned together. You guys took a quiz on it. We did it together. So good luck. Email me if questions, and good luck.